One thing I would insist though, that you should have in all your bug out bags and around the house is this here. Pair of scissors and a decent sewing kit. You don't have to buy anything expensive, but you do need several things in here. Tweezers. This here is a cheap little kit. I got it at a dollar store. Yes, I know it's pink, but like I said, it was $1. Buttons, little safety pins, things like that, you know, that can be used. But what you want to have in there as well is you at least want to have some decent thread. This here is an extra strength upholstery thread. This stuff here you should have in all your kits. It's almost impossible to break this thread by hand. And it can be used as to just about sew up anything, canvas, tough clothes, things like that. A little bit of light fishing. I don't think you've got to pull a bass or anything in there with it. And it also can be used for sutures. You don't want to put regular cotton stitches in a wound if you have to, because they'll fall apart within a few hours or a couple of days. This will do it right here. And because of that, you want to make sure you got a decent set of needles as well. And that's this package here. Has several needles in there, different functions for light sewing, leather, upholstery, things like that. These are mainly leather and upholstery, but they also can be used for suturing up a wound as well. So get you a decent set of needles. What's really irritating is when you break a zipper on a bag you're hiking with out in the wilderness, or if your tent loses a zipper or a zipper breaks. So along with your sewing kit, you need this as well. This is a zipper repair kit. Comes with its own little tool and a huge assortment of zippers. This is the link here. I got this one from Amazon. I got several. This has been my favorite so far because of all the assorted zippers it has. I think almost 200. Has a little pull tabs for the zippers here. And it has little stoppers that after you repair the zippers, you can clip down on there. And of course, comes with instructions. Don't ever throw your instructions away. And this covers most everything. Torn clothing, torn bags, pops on your brakes, on the zippers on your tent. And this here is just a regular, inexpensive Rubbermaid container I keep everything in. As you can see, another small Rubbermaid container, and it holds my sewing kit, and everything fits right in this Rubbermaid container right here. Rubbermaid container is about $5, worth it to me. But your complete repair kit for your zippers, sewing supplies, and the container, probably less than $16 for the whole thing. Build you one of these. This is something I would put on an ASAP list to get as soon as possible. You know, at least have you some sewing thread, but definitely get you one of these zipper kits as well. Just another thing you should have at home in your bug out bags and your car. So don't be afraid to get a few of these. I think I've got maybe 3 or 4. This is one of my best completed kits that I have, and I keep this in my bug out bag at all times. And I keep it close by because I'm always pulling it out and using it. And of course, holds the scissors as well if I remember to put them back in. Hope that helped. Sorry about the echo in here, but have a great day.